A fatal motor vehicle crash on the P.J. Patterson Highway in Clarendon last night has left one man dead. The dead man has been identified as 39-year-old Martin Haynes of a Christiana address. Reports are that about 9 o'clock, a truck was traveling along the toll road heading towards Maypen. Upon reaching a few meters from the Mineral Heights toll booth, the driver of the truck says he heard an explosion and stopped to investigate. It was discovered that a minivan had crashed into the back of the truck. Mr. Haynes was the driver of the minivan.
I thought it was a tire blowout or something break off of the truck, but it was not like that. When we look back, I said, hold on, something running in the back, man. Every care we saw, when we run down the road, we saw the man inside of the van, pinned down. We couldn't get him out. We call the police, we call the fire people them. Fire people come and cut him out. An ambulance passing by took him to the hospital.
Mr. Haynes died while undergoing treatment. The truck driver suspects that Mr. Haynes may have fallen asleep while driving.
I feel like he drop asleep. If he have no medical problem, like say, he getting a seizure or something like that, if he see a drop, him drop asleep. Can't let the truck dead center in the back. Because if he never drop asleep and him try to overtake, in the slam in the wall, or in the go, you just see when he swing, so you can't see when he moving him steering left and right, him just go straight in the back of the truck.